nagawa namin ito sama-sama, and happy because Erica can also leave on a high note and leave with another win. So, Erica.
Yeah, for Erica. Aside from the championship, you also won the best outside hit of the year. Being able to like back-to-back championships was an individual award.
I'm just ecstatic, but honestly, it's just been great playing with this team, and I think it's just a testament to how good my teammates are. So I was really lucky to come into such a talented team with such a great group of girls. But yeah, winning best outside hitter, I couldn't have done it without my teammates. Kylie, best, like it's honestly just really a team effort. So overall, I'm just like MJ said, so excited that I ended up lined up here.
MJ, yun nga, ilang araw pa lang nakakalipas na nag-champion kayo na reinforced invitational lang. Tapos, yun nga, umpisa pa lang nung invitational, todo-todo pa rin yung laro mo. Ano lang pakiramdam na nasuklian ng first MVP mo sa PBL and championship na rin?
Super happy kasi meron pa. Siyempre, thank you din kay Coach sa tiwala, and thank you sa mga teammates ko. So, super happy lang talaga, and I feel so blessed. Thank you din kay Lord dahil wala talaga nangyari sa amin this season, and yun naman talaga yung pinaka-prayer namin na no injuries. Konting sakit okay lang, pero kaya pa. So, thankful lang talaga, and sobrang blessed.
MG, it's been asked for the last two conferences and champion kayo. Would you think that the 10th title has been the hardest championship and the most challenging championship that you've won?
I think kita naman namin sa game kanina, sobrang hindi madali, pero pinaghihirapan talaga, and lagi naman sinasabi sa amin ni Coach, the games won't be easy, lalo na lahat ng kalaban namin gusto matalo Creamline. And especially sa finals, and yung season nga na tuloy-tuloy. Mahirap, pinakamahirap, oo, kasi first time din kami naka-experience ng tuloy-tuloy na game, so hindi lang talaga siya test ng skills, pero pati yung conditioning, mindset, physical, lahat andun talaga, pati emotional. Pero mahirap, pero kakayanin, basta sama-sama talaga.
And for Kylie,
conference na magkasunod, so kailangan din talaga ng tulong. So, hindi man sa point, syempre, kumbaga magiging vocal ba, ganyan sa mga teammates ko. So, siya namin naitulong, ganyan. Pero, yun, super happy talaga. And nakaka-proud ang lahat kasi hindi madali yung trabahong ginawa nila. Nawala sa Delay si Tots, syempre nawala din ako ng mga ilang weeks. So, mahirap yung trabahong ginawa nila. And yun yan, dinala kami dito sa Grand Slam.
We also have our finals MVP and our best setter, Kat. Ayun nga, finals MVP and best setter, anong masasabi na sa naging performance mo at ang team na nakuha nila ng championship?
Masaya na siyempre nakuha namin yung championship ngayong invitational na di namin nakuha last invitational conference, and masaya rin na yung nakuha namin yung Grand Slam. Actually, wala rin naman sa mindset namin na makuha yung Grand Slam. Importante lang sa amin, babahuhin 1 point at a time, 1 game at a time. And happy ako, and happy kami na nakuha namin yung championship and Grand Slam pa pala.
Yeah. We also have Ferdinand once, ikaw yung isa sa mga major factors din kung bakit nakuha ng Creamline for championship na to. Anong masasabi mo sa naging teamwork nila and ayun, nakuha nila naman?
Ayun, una-una, sobrang grateful lang din talaga ako sa bawat isa sa amin. Kasi hindi madali talaga yung laban kanina. Kita naman, sobrang dikitan. And sobrang slow start kami, pero nag-deliver pa rin lahat kahit sobrang dikdikan, sobrang taas na ng intensity ng game. Nakafocus pa rin talaga yung bawat isa, walang bumigay. Kasi gusto talaga namin na makuha tong game na to. And yun, sobrang grateful ako sa bawat isa sa amin na lahat talaga nag-contribute.
Kumbaga, kahit late addition ka na nitong invitational, nakatulong ka pa rin sa team.
Kinakabahan mo ko. Kasi, ayun nga, onti na yung preparation namin. Halos hindi talaga ako na trainings kasama sila. So, medyo yun yung may kaba. Pero, sabi ko lang sa isip ko, ako na to, pressure na darating. So, ayun, talagang ginagrab ko lang din, niraramdaman ko siya. Kasi doon ka rin talaga matututo. Yun lang, medyo may kaba lang, pero lagi lang sila lang naman iniisip.
Ito kayo na ko pa sinasabi, sobrang ilap sa amin yung championship. Pero ang good thing kasi sobrang inilaban talaga ng team. Sobrang proud ako doon and happy talaga dahil dami naming magandang na-experience and nagkaroon kami ng magandang performance. Sabi ko nga sa team kanina, chin up pa rin. Wala tayong kailangan kaya kasi yung game naman talaga sobrang close fight. And grabe lang din yung talaga yung laging inilalaro ng grade 9. Very consistent sila. So, for us naman, happy ako kasi kahit pa paano medyo lumalapit na rin kami sa level nila. So, yun yung magiging target namin and we'll never stop dun sa process namin kung hanggang sa ma-reach namin talaga yung program. So,
MJ, you scored the PBL Finals record of 42 points. What can you say after the result?
Of course, I am really sad because the main target for us was to win the goal. But I'm so proud of my teammates. We did our best today. We fight until the end. And I know from now they have to work more and be more disciplined and do more because they know that they can make it. Today is not for us, but I'm sure this team have a good future, and I wish the best for, of course, to all of them. I witness how they work and how dedicated they work. So I hope in the future they can get the championship.
Kinakabahan po ako. Kasi, ayun nga, onti lang yung preparation namin. Halos hindi talaga ako naka-trainings kasama sila. So, medyo yun nga, may kaba. Pero, sabi ko lang sa isip ko, ako na to, yan. Ako na, tatapusin ko na to para sa kanila. So, parang, alam mo yun, pag iniisip ko yung mga ganong games, yun nga, ang sarap sa feeling. Kasi yun nga, masarap yung mga pressure na dumadating. So, ayun, talagang ginagrab ko lang din, niraramdam ko siya kasi doon ka rin talaga matututo. Yun lang, medyo may kaba lang pero lagi lang sila lang naman iniisip ko.